Welcome, investors. Markets wrapped the week with a bang. Small caps caught a serious bid. The Russell 2000 popped 1.4%, the Nasdaq added 1.2%, and energy stole the spotlight with a 1.9% surge. Biotech followed close behind, and plus 1.7%, as traders responded to strong jobs data and fresh optimism around U.S.-China trade talks. Even commodities joined the party, with the S&P GSCI up 0.8%. Biopharma delivered some standout moves. CHGG staged a rebound, Prime Medicine and Pro Kidney found buyers, and Phathom Pharmaceuticals locked in a decade of FDA exclusivity for its acid blocker. Taseko Mines also ripped higher after securing a game-changing deal for its new prosperity project. But it wasn't all sunshine. Pecco tanked 23% after missing the mark on earnings, and Accuray dropped 15% following a refinancing update that spooked the street. Then there's Net Power, which exploded 36% on heavy volume. Momentum traders, take note. G3 Apparel quietly crushed earnings, posting a 58% EPS surprise and proving retail isn't dead yet. Meanwhile, keep an eye on Dragonfly and Audio Eye, both showing early signs of life. In biotech, the focus is shifting to GLP-1s and cancer drugs, but supply chain headwinds are creating just as many questions as opportunities. That's the wrap. Trade smart, do your homework, and we'll see you next week.